You're not gonna believe this crazy 3-ingredient cake. We actually have this tip in our Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 1. It's been in there 25 years ago. I put it in there. Okay, mayonnaise. It makes your cake so moist and so delicious. Eggs, water. All right, there we go. I'm gonna throw this in the oven and bake it. All right, here is my mayonnaise cake. This is gonna be Dave's cake because he loves mayonnaise. Look at it, just comes right out.
I don't know if I want mayonnaise on a cake though.
Thanks, Dave, thanks.
Might taste a little weird.
It's not gonna taste weird. Would your mother make weird food?
I don't know, but mayonnaise on a cake, that's kind of scary.
All right, here we go. We got our frosting. So if you include frosting, it's what, 4 ingredients? There's the second layer. Now I put it upside down on the bottom so it would be flat, but I put it right side up on the top so it would have that little curve. Let's cut this baby and see what it tastes like.
Let them eat cake.
Oh, stop it.
I always wondered what was wrong with Marie Antoinette saying let them eat cake. I mean, I love cake.
Aren't you funny?
Yes. People are like, who's Marie Antoinette? Mmm. Mmm. Man, you gotta stop making cakes, dear. I'm gonna eat too much. These are really good.